Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the login problem in Zangi Messenger step by step. If you are unable to sign in, stuck on the verification screen, or getting an error while logging in, these methods will help you fix it. Let's get started. Zangi is a privacy-focused messaging app used for calls and messages with very low data usage. Sometimes users face login issues due to network problems, app bugs, or verification errors. Here are the most effective fixes. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi, mobile data. Weak or unstable internet can prevent the app from connecting to the server and logging in. Step 2. Restart the app. Close the Zangi app completely. Then open it again and try logging in. This simple step often fixes temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear app cache. Sometimes corrupted cache files can cause login errors. On Android, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap Apps. 3. Select Zangi. 4. Tap Storage. 5. Click Clear Cache. Clearing the cache can fix login and verification problems. Step 4. Check date and time settings. Make sure your phone's date and time are correct and set to automatic. Incorrect system time can interfere with verification and login processes. Step 5. Update the app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Zangi and check if an update is available. Installing the latest version can fix bugs that cause login problems. Step 6. Reinstall the app. If the issue continues, 1. Uninstall Zangi. 2. Restart your phone. 3. Install the app again from the official store. Reinstalling removes corrupted data and often resolves login errors. Step 7. Contact Zangi support. If nothing works, contact the official support team. You can email them at support@zangi.com and explain the issue with your account. And that's it. That's how you fix the Zangi Messenger login problem step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical app troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.